Open the cover of the printer. Take out the drum unit assembly. Press on the blue lever and remove the toner cartridge. This brother printer has separate consumables, the toner cartridge and the drum unit. Be sure to replace only the toner cartridge or the drum unit. Reinstall the toner cartridge. Remember that too light may damage the drum. Put the drum unit assembly back into the machine. Close the cover. If you need to reset a drum and toner error message, in the description you'll find a link to a video that explains how to do it.